Who are you and what are you studying in Turkey?
Hi, I'm Elif Serra and I'm studying computer engineering at TOB University in Turkey.
Why did you decide to do an internship in Germany?
I decided to do this internship in Germany because I've always wanted to do an abroad internship and experience it, and this was just suitable for me since I wanted to work on AI and machine learning, so here I am.
And what are your tasks and project at ZEKI?
I've been working on the ZEKI project, which focuses on AI for common good, and using an open source tool called Node-RED, me and my teammate, we created a custom node palette for ZEKI Smart Office Services. And I've also worked with TensorFlow and Java Spring Boot and Docker as well. So that's it.
And what do you like most about your work here?
Besides from the area that I'm working on technically, I like the warm atmosphere and the diversity here at the office. Being able to easily connect and communicate with people was a great opportunity for me to socialize and learn from my peers.
And what have you learned so far, or what new skills have you acquired?
I learned how to create and use APIs, and I got familiar with the container technology using Docker, and also improved myself mainly on JavaScript and HTML, which I use on Node-RED. And lastly, I did a lot of learning in Python and TensorFlow in the machine learning area.
How do the universities in Turkey and Germany differ?
I was not a student here, but an intern, so I cannot extensively answer the question, but I can say that according to my observations here, there's a more practical based and dynamic education system, when in Turkey it's a little bit more theoretical than it is practical at times, I can say that.
And what do you find better or more interesting in Germany?
I can answer it the same with the previous question. The practicalness and also the dynamic approach to the education is a little bit more better, I'd say, and different.
Why should other students do an internship here?
Because ZEKI office environment allows you to work hands-on with a variety of AI projects, so you can work and gain so much experience and learn a lot from these different projects, as well as from your supervisors and your co-workers, I can say. And since the office itself is a smart office, you're able to be engaged in the subject more and more.
What would you recommend to future interns to get the most of the internship?
I'd say networking and socializing with with your coworkers around you and benefiting from their knowledge, because although internships are considered to be so technical and experience-based, it's also about learning how to work and socialize with people. And this office and all the coworkers have you have so much to learn from a lot of people here, and this also helps you out with your career and in a lot of aspects.